This is
Now I'm gonna eventually buy the gold one for the house. You make it straight around the house or something. I think it's just too shiny to hunt with though. And that's why you're gonna say the other one's lighter. That one Elmer's got.
guys, I am watching fireworks. It is deafening. What is up with all the mosquitoes?
Right on the side of the butt. Yeah.
That's what you want.
It don't matter. I like Henry or one like that. But I want to hunt with a Henry this year or something like a Henry. I want to hunt with a rifle. I want the scope on. I want a big TV screen scope. It's going to be sighted in at 100 yards. About 100 yards.
Oh! It's Devilson here from Alex Devilson, and I'm going deaf. Oh! Guys, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Boom! Boom!
Because they got my rule.
Come back over here with them for 1 second.
Hold on, guys.
Should be like probably the
And that's what I want.
148. 48.
And what yours is the 40, right? Or yours the 40. 38, that's what
Guys, this is awesome. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this here. And I just want to record here. It's actually pretty cool. I actually get to do this every year. Just never in Circleville. Like never in town. Normally we have to go out of town to watch fireworks. But okay, guys, I'm gonna end this here and goodbye.